How to change cursor. In Windows operating system, right-click on the desktop, then select Personalize. Next, select Themes. Then select Mouse Cursor. In this scheme, select one. I select this one. Then, we can select Normal Select, or you can select this one. Next, click the Apply button, then click OK. See, the cursor has changed. If you want to return it back to normal, right-click on the desktop, select Personalize. Next, select Themes, Mouse Cursor, then Scheme Her select Windows, Default. Then select the Apply button, then select the OK button. Will return. Like again. If you want to use the cursor, prettier ones like this can be downloaded on this website. Then later I select a part. This cursor pointer. You can download it here. I downloaded this one. Looks yes. After I downloaded the results. Here yes, this is me. Just move over. I put it in. See. Windows, then I select the cursor. Well, here I am. I click the Continue button. Well, after succeeding in the paste, this one then I go to Desktop View. As usual, select Personalize. Then I select Themes, Mouse Cursor. Then I select this default yes. Windows Default. Then I select Browse. Well, here I will select Cursor that I have downloaded before. This is it. Then I select the cursor. Then I click the Open. Then I apply. Then I click the OK button. Well, see, the cursor has turned like this. Pretty cool, right? Hopefully tutorial this is useful. Thank you.